Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to share your Crunchyroll account with others. Unlike platforms like Netflix, Crunchyroll is quite flexible regarding account sharing, meaning you can simply give your email and password to a friend or family member. They can then log in and watch anime, even if they live in a different household. However, you need to be aware of your specific subscription tier. If you are on the basic fan plan, you are limited to only one stream at a time. Attempting to watch on two devices simultaneously will result in an error message. For those who need more access, upgrading to the Mega Fan plan allows for 4 concurrent streams, while the Ultimate Fan plan supports up to 6 devices. To keep everyone's viewing history organized, you should create individual profiles. Click on your profile icon in the corner, select the Switch Profile option, and then click Add New. Type in the name for the new user and press Save. This ensures that your watch lists remain separate and don't get cluttered. If you ever need to edit or delete these profiles, just click the pencil icon to manage them. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content.